Good morning. Good morning. How's everybody? 7:39. I put out a little video a little earlier. Check that out. We got Crude moving to the downside. I see Crude coming, popping a little bit, a little bit. I see Crude trying to come back up just a tad. So supposed talks between Iran and the United States. Trump came out and talked to Joe on CNBC, and then the Iranians say that we're not talking to anybody. So pick your devil. All right, see what happens there. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. But here's your Crude right now on your Yuko over here. Kind of like mixed up here, but it has made a move from the downside from almost $43, okay? And right now we're trading at $39.99. So it seems like they were trying to firm up a little bit earlier here. You get that 212 up, but now kind of just stalled out there. All right, so we'll see if anything comes of that to anything further to the downside. For the most part, on Crude, we're down between 5 to 6% between the Brent crude and between the other one as well, the CLs. All right, so lower here on Crude this morning on this news. Okay, so what's moving? Tech is moving pretty good. We're going to see if they can sustain. What groups do we talk about? I'm going to go through all these stocks, guys. It's a blitzkrieg. All right, be ready. All right, and then I'll finish it up with the the futures. All right, so I'm gonna talk about these guys first off the bat, right? So our satellite stocks that we've been talking about forever and ever. ASTS still coming down on the monthly there, but 91.94. All right, so 91.94. Guess what? 91.94. You are still inside week. All right, so we're not taking weeks up here. 91 and a quarter, slightly higher there, but even inside the day still. All right, so ASTS, not one of the better ones here that's moving this morning. And when we'll go down the board here, just be patient with me. Sirius Satellite might get a nice move to the upside here. All right. Yesterday's highs were 22.43. We're trading at 22.20 right now. All right. So still not taking day up on Siri. We'll see if Siri can get going. Rocket Lab is one of the ones that we've been watching closely. We've been talking a lot about Rocket Lab. All right. Two-back shooter down on the week was absolutely horrible. Okay, 69.07 here, so better today now. 69.07. You're still handily stuck inside the day with the Rocket Lab, so some stuff moving around. Siri. Here's GSAT. 56. This thing's really doesn't tell us much on the overnights, but 58.73, 60.58 doesn't get you anywhere near taking day up. All right, so GSAT's going to still be inside. We'll see if and Iridium's been super strong. I would look for continuation for this thing on the upside, and 26.75 to get out of jail. So we're stuck inside there too with Iridium. All right, so BKSY. This thing moves around, folks. All right, this one's a fun one if you can tame it. All right, 26.75, 26.85. This thing got the shooter way down on Friday. So we'll see there. You're going to have to get up to 28.85 to get back up through there. Sats is better here, 110.18. I think this one takes day up. No, still stuck at 111.54 inside. Sats moving back up to the upside. Again, you're going up against these weeks, so we're going to see what happens. All right, Sats was a bit of a mover there this morning, but not quite taking the day up. All right, PL is probably the strongest of the whole bunch here. Planet Taking, what are we here now? 36.28. We're trading at 35.10 right now. 35.48 was as high as we got there. All right, Planet, just moving to the upsides. Iridium and Planet, these two are really, really good performers. All right, we're starting to see what's happening here. All right. Now, what else we got here? We're going to go through our stocks that we've been watching. All right, so what do we got this morning? We're going to pull up that group, all right? RDW is one of our stocks on the industrials, all right? Industrials coming back up here. Again, not really ripping up the day here, but 10.05, you're at 9.32. That one's inside. We're sticking with the ones that we've been watching. All right, Fly's a real estate stock, leasing company. This thing's a little bit better. 23.70 doesn't get you out of the day, but that's one of the ones we're going to be watching. All right, ALGM has come back down again. This one fell apart on us on ALGM. Had a decent move to the upside. Not that great. I mean, this thing's down for the quarter. It's 2-2 down. Low-lying fruit, I think I was talking about it. 2 in the week down here. All right, so made a move up to 30.88, 30.88. 30.88 gets close to taking day up. We'll keep an eye on that one. And then I like this other one here, A-Lab. A-Lab, kind of another one, fell apart. A-Lab, 117, 119. All right, 118.50. Get out of the way, all right? But still, you're not getting outside of the day. All right, so nice move to the upside, but not that great. All right, but this has been a pretty decent move, and you'll see the futures at the end here. All right, right. We'll go through some of the tech names that I'm looking at this morning here. Oracle. Oracle's popping up here a little bit? 152.10, closed at 149.68. All right, 153 and change for Oracle to take the day up. We'll see if Oracle can get any better from there. We're going to look at the two that I love. Cisco, just nice move here, 80.36. All right, and it was at 78.98. So we're taking day up on Cisco. We know that Cisco's good, and we know that Marvel's good, okay? These are the only two that I mean, Apple's a little better here, and some of the AI stocks, still not really just getting it done. All right, so 90.49, 87.91 on Marvel. Marvel's still going to be stuck inside day, guys. All right, so looking good though, right? Marvel and Cisco looking pretty good. Well, we'll see what happens. Dell Computers just been a beast to the upside. It did puke out on Friday, but the thing has been really good. All right, so you got to peel back. Market really got crushed at the end of the day, but man, them 30-minute bars. Go through the 30-minute bars in almost every single stock. Somebody ran a huge program. Somebody knew something was going on. I'll tell you that. Here. Did not get that. Dell did not get it. Dell was still puking coming down to the end of the day. All right. Now trading better here. Got up to 163.55. You're going to be inside day there. Dell's been really good. The Weave is really good too. I think this thing should be better than what it is right now. 83.15, 82.97. Still stuck inside. I don't know. All right, Weave. I don't got too many stock names. Tech names, because I just will go through a couple of the big ones. All right, Avgo. We'll take a look at Broadcom here. All right, Broadcom moving back up 317. It's got to get 322 to get day up. All right, Micron. We know Micron's been a beast, but we also know that Micron they had great earnings and they missed it. All right. They just didn't like the guidance to the downside. So Micron just not really getting it done there. Advanced Micro Devices, 201.33, 205.49. We got a winner here. Taking day up here close. Very close, but not quite getting the job done there. All right. And then I said I'd talk about Apple. Apple is a little bit better, closed at 247.99. It's trading at 252. All right, we're not taking out weeks or anything like that. 253.14 might get the day. Oh yeah, 253.14, and we get expansion to the upside. All right. At 253.19, we're going back up to here, guys. 254.78 Apple. This is a nice move on Apple coming back up. All right. And then we look at the Goog. All right, Goog. Just trying to stay above 300. Okay, it keeps dipping down below. But to get yesterday's highs, that would be 304.41. Looks like we did take it, but we broke back inside. All right. And I guess I got to look at that Teslers. Teslers with the week down heavy. Trying to get out of jail at 380. She's $10 inside the day. All right. So Tesla's not going anywhere this morning. Okay. A couple of banks that are moving better this morning. It seems like financials are starting to show their heads here. Capital One Financial to the upside. All right, 188.50 buy. All right, 188.50. We're coming all the way back up into this area in here. This is where the battle's going to be fought now once you get back. But basically through 189 or 190. All right, so Capital One Financial, nice move to the upside there. You got Goldman Sachs is moving this morning here, closed at 813, trading at 834. $847 on your Goldman Sachs. So 2112. Take a day up on that, folks. I'll tell you that. Goldman Sachs, nice move to the upside. Bank America coming back up with the banks moving here. I don't know. Don't trust these, whatever these are. All right. Coming back up there, 47.43. We're at 48.28. We're taking day up on the Bank of America and Citibank as well on the move to the upside. All right. Banks looking really good this morning. And healthcare is a little bit higher, but I don't trust healthcare. But we'll see. We'll see. On our retailers, we got some stuff that are moving around here. This one just popped up. Williams-Sonoma. What's this thing doing here? Was a 2-1 day on Friday, 182.47. Looks like it got some puke in here. 183.53. That does take the day up, but she's backing off here on Williams-Sonoma. So see about that one. Carnival Cruise Lines, a little bit better on this news. There you go. These guys react really fast. All right. Just please get on our ships. Forget about the war. Just get on the boat. All right. 24.76. We're taking day up. 25.69. All right. These are really ones, man. And whenever anything gets better, these guys, they're the first ones to move. Royal Caribbean Cruise Line. Here's another one moving to the upside. That's going to take day up at 272. It's trading at 278 right now. Expansion to the upside. We could probably throw this one in there too. NCLH. It's like the war is over. No, it's not. All right. All right, well, 1987 on NCLH coming back up. That's going to take day up as well. All right, so moving there. Tapestry is moving around here this morning. TPR. These are all on our discretionary retails. All right, up, man. XRT is up. All right, and what were we talking about? Talking about the discretionaries. We'll see if we get them staples going, man. They're still kind of iffy, but. For retail right now, Tapestry's got a nice move to the upside here, 143.20, trading 145.16. This one's taking day up. All right, we look at Deckers, DECK. It's time to build a new deck. The war's over. All right, shoot her back down. Okay, 105.14. 102.22, not really moving too much there. And then watch Carvana. Carvana's a beast, and there you go. Carvana was coming in with a 212 up on the day here and trading at $289, closed at 281.28. Carvana to the upside. All right, Estee Lauder, got to get all purdied up for the war that's over. All right, coming back up here, 88.16, taking Estee Lauder back up. All right, and I kind of like my Macy's. All right, she's opening at 18.10, a little higher here this morning. So we'll see if that anything goes there. Looking across the board, the stocks this is what I'm really kind of focused on right now. Again, airlines really strong. Until something else transpires between the battle over here. But 63.44, we're at 66.50. Delta, you cannot keep that thing down. It's always up. All right. American Airlines. Nice move up to the outside here. $11 now, 11 to 18. See that? The one thing that tipped us off about airlines is that we've been seeing so much of it in the news. There's freaking people on the planes every day. All right? People are traveling. I don't know where they're going, but they are on the move. All right? Love. Southwest Air, another one to the upside. All right? So I liked it. I liked them last week. I still like them here. Okay? So Love moving up here. We're watching some of that. We're watching Triple M, and we're watching our other guys, right? So we got MMM, right? Triple M coming back up, all right? 143 and change up, $2 and change. That should take day up at 143 at 144.10. All right, so Triple M moving to the upside, and then we got to look at Emerson, EMR. All right, on your industrials now, guys, industrials. Shooter down on a quarter. I mean, come on, this thing's garbage. All right, 212 back up here at 130.60. One trading 130.30 right now, so that one's close to taking day up. What's the other ones that we had in that list? Let's see here. Norfolk Southern. See if the rails are doing anything. Rails, not too much. All right. Not too much on the rails. 283 though, a little bit better on Norfolk Southern. We'll check CSX. CSX got a real nice move to the upside, but then kind of got smacked coming back down here a little bit. But that would have taken day up at 38.62. All right, so looks like we're holding above there anyway. All right, so we're going to watch the XLIs. Okay, we know stocks that were Honeywell is one of our stocks. It doesn't really show anything on the overnight. It did make a move here right now. Honeywell 229. All right, so 229. It doesn't quite take the day, but possibly we'll see if that can get moving as well. What else? I went through the airlines. I went through the satellite stocks. We watched the Oklahomas as we'll see if they start to transpire today. A little bit better right now at 53.97, trading 54.63. All right, so that one looks to take, you're going to be inside. All right, you're going to be inside on Summer too, SMR and CCJ as well. All right, so don't go crazy with yourself thinking that the markets are going to turn around and this is it. Again, Trump says they got a deal and Iran says we never talked to Trump. Okay? Pick your devil. All right. See if anything else here. Costco, possibly. Amazon's a little better here, up $4 here on Amazon, coming back up. All right, so like AI, trying to get going a little bit. And I'm trying to find something in here that I haven't seen. How about small cappers? Let's get to the futures now. All right, so nice move to the upside, but they have been pulling back down. So 242, but trading at 249. So we're up $6 to start the day on IWM. Now the small cappers, we'll see if that group can stay up and hold up and stay up. SPY, I see, has been kind of leaking back down a little bit. But they got the 2-1 inside, and now you're trying to get the 2-2 back up. All right, so we'll see what happens with that one. The highs yesterday were 656.49. We're at 660. All right, so we're looking to take the 2-day out, but you're not even close to taking the 2-day out. Not too bad, 661 right now. All right, so SPY definitely better, and then your QQQs are definitely better as well. All right, Qs to bust out 591. We're at 593. We're $2 higher on the triple Qs, and they're trying to firm up as we start to get closer to the market opening, which is in about 30 minutes exactly right now. All right, and there's your diamonds. If the diamonds were to open right now, the Dow Jones Industrial Average will hold on here. The one thing I had to move. Alrighty, there she is. So we're gonna be up. We're gonna be up 1,000 points. Okay, on the Dow right now. All right, we were up 738 earlier. Discretionaries, banks, retail, XRT retail for sure. Let's just like bang through them here so you can kind of see here. All right, XRT, nice move to the upside. All right, Tapestry, Deckers. All right, Estee Lauder, Carvana, all those stocks I talked about. All right, we'll see what if they want to go. And then we'll go through XLP. Not really too much. Now she's getting a little better, man. She wasn't showing me anything earlier. Starting to get a little better here now. Try to take that day out at 82.35. It's trading at 82.19 right now. So we'll see if XLP can continue to move them there. All right. So XLV on your healthcare is a little bit better. I still don't like healthcare. But if healthcare starts to fall, it's gonna put some pressure down on the diamonds because it's the biggest part of it. All right, and we know that crude's down between about 4.5 to 5, maybe 5 to 6% to the downside on the crude on this move. Okay, all right, so I could go all day, but I'm not going to. All right, so airlines good. Rocket Lab still, a lot of these satellite stocks are still inside day, guys. So there's plenty of time to still try to get into a position with these things. I just you gotta be sketchy with this right now. Who knows, right? Who knows? The devil is in the details, folks, and we don't know the details. So let's leave it at that. I will definitely get back to you during the day. Be good, be good.